I'm about to share with you the best way to finding online writing jobs. Click the link in the description for our recommended writer search website. Why online writing jobs are in high demand. Online writing jobs have been gaining in popularity over the past few years, and for good reason. The rise of content marketing and the proliferation of online businesses mean that there is a massive demand for high-quality written content. Whether it's blog posts, product descriptions, social media updates, or email newsletters, businesses of all types and sizes need well-written content to engage with their customers and promote their products and services. This demand for content has created a wealth of opportunities for freelance writers who are looking to earn a living online. In this video, we'll show you how to get started with online writing jobs and how to land high-paying gigs that can help you build a successful writing career. Step 1. Identify your niche. The first step to finding success in online writing jobs is to identify your niche. The more specialized your writing is, the more likely you are to land high-paying gigs. Do you have expertise in a particular industry, such as finance, health, or technology? If so, you can use that knowledge to your advantage by targeting clients who need content in that niche. Alternatively, if you have a passion for a particular topic, such as travel or food, you can carve out a niche as a writer who specializes in that area. Step 2. Build your portfolio. Before you start looking for online writing jobs, you need to build a portfolio of your work. Your portfolio should showcase your writing skills and demonstrate your expertise in your chosen niche. One way to build your portfolio is to start a blog and write regular posts on topics related to your niche. You can also guest post on other blogs and websites to gain exposure and build your credibility as a writer. Another option is to offer your writing services to nonprofit organizations or small businesses in your local area. This will give you real-world experience and provide you with writing samples that you can use in your portfolio. Step 3. Find writing gigs. Once you have a strong portfolio, it's time to start looking for online writing jobs. There are many websites and job boards that specialize in connecting writers with clients who need content. Some of the most popular job boards for freelance writers include Upwork, Freelancer, and Guru. You can also find writing gigs on niche job boards that focus on specific industries or topics. When applying for writing gigs, be sure to tailor your application to the specific job and client. Highlight your relevant experience and provide writing samples that demonstrate your ability to write in the client's preferred style and tone. Step 4. Build relationships with clients. As you start landing writing gigs, it's important to build relationships with your clients. This will help you secure repeat work and build a reputation as a reliable and skilled writer. One way to build relationships with clients is to communicate clearly and regularly. Be responsive to emails and messages, and keep your clients updated on the progress of their projects. You can also go above and beyond by offering suggestions for improving their content or providing additional services, such as editing or social media promotion. Online writing jobs offer a world of opportunities for writers who are looking to earn a living online. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can start building a successful writing career and land high-paying gigs that will help you achieve your financial and professional goals. In conclusion, if you are looking to get started with online writing jobs, there has never been a better time to do so. With the demand for high-quality content at an all-time high, there are plenty of opportunities for writers who are willing to put in the time and effort to build their skills and establish themselves in the industry. By following the steps outlined in this article and taking a proactive approach to finding writing gigs and building relationships with clients, you can achieve success as an online writer and start earning a living doing what you love. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best of luck on your journey to becoming a successful online writer. Click the link in the description to see our recommended jobs for writers.